Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother HL-L3280CDW color laser printer step by step from unboxing to Wi-Fi connection and software installation. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps, especially the network and security settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox the printer and check components. First, carefully unbox your printer. Inside the box, you should find Brother printer, toner cartridge and drum unit assemblies, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow pre-installed, waste toner box installed, belt unit installed, AC power cord, quick setup guide, product safety guide. USB or network cables may not be included. If needed, use a USB 2.0 Type A or B cable, less than 2 meters. For wired network, use a straight-through Category 5 or higher cable. Step 2. Open the top cover of the printer. Remove all blue protective tape from inside and outside the printer. Take out the toner and drum assembly. Remove the orange protective parts from each toner cartridge. Reinstall the toner and drum unit firmly back into the printer. Close the top cover. Make sure everything clicks securely into place. Step 3. Pull the paper tray completely out. Adjust the paper guides according to your paper size. Load plain paper into the tray. Do not exceed the maximum paper mark. Slide the tray back into the printer. Make sure the paper guides are snug but not too tight. Step 4. Before plugging in, locate the serial number label on the back or side of the printer. Write it down for warranty and registration purposes. Now connect the AC power cord to the back of the printer. Plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn the printer on. Wait for the printer to initialize. Step 5. Select language. If prompted, for LCD models, press up or down to select initial setup. Press OK. Select local language, choose your preferred language, press OK to confirm. For touchscreen models, press Settings, tap All Settings, select Initial Setup, tap Local Language, choose your language, press OK. Step 6. Automatic Wi-Fi Setup. Go to Network Settings. Select Wi-Fi, choose Find Network. Select your Wi-Fi name, enter your Wi-Fi password. Press OK. When successful, the screen will display Connected. Manual Wireless Setup. If setup is not successful, find your Wi-Fi network name and password on your router. On the printer, go to Network, select Wi-Fi, tap Find Network. Select your SSID, manually enter your network key or password. If it still doesn't connect, restart your printer, restart your Wi-Fi router, try again. Important: before connecting to a 5 GHz network, confirm supported channels from Brother's support website. Step 7. Install printer software. Now connect your computer or mobile device. Visit setup.brother.com. Download the latest driver and software. Run the installer. Follow on-screen instructions. Choose your connection type: wireless, USB, wired network. Complete installation. Once done, you're ready to print. Important: change default admin password. For network security, the default admin password is located on the back of the printer labeled PW. It is strongly recommended to change this password immediately to prevent unauthorized access. To change it, access printer settings via web browser by entering printer IP address. Log in using default password. Change to a secure custom password. Firmware update recommended. To check for the latest firmware, visit support.brother.com/UP7. Keeping firmware updated improves security and performance. Troubleshooting tips: if you cannot connect, restart your router, restart your printer, disconnect USB cable if switching connection types, reinstall software. Visit support.brother.com for FAQs. Once everything is connected successfully, setup finished. You can now print using your Brother HL-L3280CDW. And that's it. Your Brother printer is now fully set up and ready to use. If you face any issues during setup, don't worry. Contact Printer Support. Our support team is available to help you with fast and reliable assistance. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.